Yes guys, it's Henry again and welcome to another video. Well, in this video we're going to be talking about all the crazy stuff that's been happening in the market lately, and of course Elon and all that stuff with Bitcoin. Well, without any further ado, if you are new to this channel and you like money, you like to invest, forex, whatever it is, please hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to your comments. Well, it's just Tuesday and there are crazy things happening in the market. So to get started with, of course, yesterday Elon came out and Tesla announced that they've invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. So a lot of people were a bit shocked and I'm like, that's kind of old news, not new news. So because Elon tweeted this last year on the 20th of December 2020, you can see right here, Elon Musk posted, me trying to live a normal productive life. And of course, you see that Bitcoin opening her ass for Elon to be tempted about. So that kind of gave me a signal and was like, yeah, this guy is definitely looking into Bitcoin. And of course, you've got later on that day, he posted another Bitcoin is my safe word. So I don't know what other indicator you need that he definitely was interested in Bitcoin. And at that point, Bitcoin was about $24,000. And of course, last month, Bitcoin shot up to 40K. And now they came out yesterday, Bitcoin went from around 38,000 to $47,000 all-time high. It's absolutely crazy, but yeah, it's not old news, it's kind of like new news. And moving on to the next topic is of course Dogecoin. So this is something as Elon tweeted on the 25th of December, which is on Christmas Day, posted a sexy Tesla short, which is the Model S, X, Y and Model 3. They kind of put all those together to create the word sexy. So he posted that, and of course it was a picture of Dogecoin right next to that. And at that point, Dogecoin was trading at about 4 cents. And of course, it went all the way down. So which was on the 25th. Which is on Christmas Day. So you probably might be able to buy some. So you waited till on the 26th. You probably would have also been able to get in at like 3 cents. And now Dogecoin is absolutely off the roof. All-time high of, I think, 9 cents or something like that. So they're trying to get up to 10 cents, which I think is going to get to. And once it gets to that point, a slow and nice and solid grind upwards to get into $1. So that's absolutely crazy stuff that's happened so much this week. The S&P 500, the market, everything is going amazing. All-time highs for everything, which is good. But my thing here is a lot of people were asking me, which is yesterday when they sent me a lot of messages saying, do you think is the best time for me to get into Bitcoin or whatever? Or do you think I should wait a bit longer? Or do you think I should get into Tesla or no? I was like, mate, you should definitely 100% get into it now, because a lot of times what we do is we wait and wait and wait, but the best time to actually get something done is right now. Let's say about 50 to 60 years ago, the S&P 500 was like $50 or $40, and now it's at 3,000 plus. So that is the thing, you can't wait for, there's no perfect time. You get it now, guess what, you're always going to make money. For example, like a Tesla stock, if you got in January of last year, you probably would have made ×2 of your money. Same thing with Apple, same thing with so many other stocks, even Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is the market of which you trade Tesla and all that stuff. So if a lot of stocks are performing well in the market, so therefore the stock of the market is going to be performing well. It's just common sense. But yeah, these are the things that we really need to look at, because a lot of times we put money into a bunch of things and we're scared to actually invest the money. The thing is, the money sitting down is losing appreciation, because over time, that money is not going to be able to buy you exactly the same thing you bought with that money today. So if you take that money to the shop, you have $50 in your account, you take it to the shop, you probably can get you a nice sweater or something, or 2 sweaters, whatever it is you're interested in. But guess what? In 3-4 years from now, maybe that sweater is not going to be $50 anymore. It's going to be $67. So therefore, you've had depreciation in your money. You still have $50. The $50 can't buy what it bought you a few years back. So the best time to get into the market for anything, even for real estate, which in some places is at all-time highs. Of course, a lot of people are saying there's going to be a big dip. There's going to be a big dip. But guess what? A lot of times is the big dip comes and it never lasts, which I think last year was kind of the big dip when virus hits, and we've got a lot of things that happened. And of course, in March, the market, everything tanked. And I think that was the best time for a lot of people to get into the market. And guess what? A recession or whatever, like a massive correction happens every decade. So every 8, 10, 12 years, that's when it happens. So you might think you're not getting the right deal now, or you think, oh, everything is so expensive. But guess what? That is the best thing for you to do right now, is to actually jump in. One last thing is, today I took 3 trades, of course, in Forex. So I don't know if you lot can see that. Going to the trade, going to the trade, I lost one of it, which was the GBP chef. But as of right now, I'm currently on the trade, and I'm up by 3,000, about 3,000, 2,900, 3,000. It's holding. I'm just going to let it be. I'm setting my stop. I'm managing the trade perfectly, so we'll just see what happens from there on. So that's how I personally like to trade. You get into a trade and you just manage it up, because if you've made money in the market, why should you give it back to the market? You know, you just move your stop loss off to break even or to be in profit a little bit, and just ride it all the way up. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please leave the video with a like. And if you've got any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to them. But yeah, that's it from me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.